Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic that's super relevant in 2025. How to check if someone's been taking screenshots of your Instagram account. With privacy concerns on the rise, it's crucial to stay one step ahead. Let's dive right in. First off, you might be wondering, why does this matter? Screenshots can capture your posts, stories, or even direct messages without your knowledge, potentially leading to misuse of your content. But don't worry, while Instagram doesn't send direct notifications for most screenshots, there are smart ways to detect and protect yourself. Step 1. Head to your Instagram activity log. Open the app, go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right, and select your activity. Here, you can review interactions with your content, like views and shares, which might hint at unusual activity. Keep an eye out for any patterns that seem off. Next, enable Instagram's enhanced privacy features. Go to Settings, Privacy, Activity Status to control who sees when you're online. Also, for direct messages, Instagram does notify you if someone screenshots a disappearing photo or video. That's a built-in safeguard for 2025 updates. If you're tech-savvy, consider third-party apps or tools that monitor screen activity, but be cautious. These aren't foolproof and could raise security risks. Always download from trusted sources and read reviews. To boost your overall protection, turn on two-factor authentication. It's simple. Go to Settings, Security, Two-Factor Authentication and set it up. This adds an extra layer to prevent unauthorized access. Remember, prevention is key. Regularly update your app, use strong passwords, and think twice before sharing sensitive info. By staying vigilant, you can keep your Instagram safe and sound. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest privacy worry on social media? Let's chat. See you in the next video.